Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore how to integrate ConvertKit with Groovefunnels. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't miss the free trial link in the description below. For those of you already on board, simply log in and follow along. First, you'll need to create a Zapier account to establish the connection between ConvertKit and Groovefunnels. On the Zapier dashboard, click Create and then select Zaps. If you need any guidance, the Copilot is here to help. Choose both ConvertKit and Groovefunnels from the available options and fill in the necessary details on the right side of the screen. To link your ConvertKit account, click Sign In and add the API key for ConvertKit. Go to ConvertKit, open Developer Settings, and copy the secret key. After pasting it, click Yes, connect to ConvertKit, and it will be connected. Repeat this step to log into your Groovefunnels account. Here you'll need to provide your login details and your account will be connected. Then configure the settings and click Publish and you're done. Hopefully this video will help you. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.